Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you a healthy cake recipe of banana cake. Usually people don't like to eat the ripe bananas, but today we are going to use the ripe bananas to make this delicious and chocolatey banana cake. And you have seen how moist and soft it is. If I am pressing it, it bounces back. So now let's check out the ingredients to make this healthy banana cake. To make the banana cake, here I have taken 2 ripe bananas. Now take a blender and cut the bananas into small pieces. After that, add 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of any cooking oil. Make sure there is no smell in the oil. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Now grind it into smooth paste. You can use fork to smash the bananas instead of grinder if you don't want it. Now we need like that type of consistency. Now remove this in the separate bowl. Now take a strainer. Add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and stir it. Add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you don't want to make it chocolatey, you can skip this cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt. It enhances the flavor. And now stir it, and now with the help of spoon or spatula, just using cut and fold method, mix the all-purpose flour with the banana mixture. It will take little bit of time. Do it with a very light hand. After mixing everything together, here I have taken 1/3 cup of yogurt. This is plain yogurt. And now give it a quick mix. You can use 2 eggs instead of yogurt. And now give it a quick mix with a very light hand. Once everything mixed together, make sure there is no lumps in the batter. After mixing it, if you want, you can add choco chips. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips and give it a quick mix. And now the batter is ready. To put it in the greased tray, here I have taken 1 bread loaf pan. You can use any cake tin. I have already greased it and lined it with the butter paper. This is totally optional. Now add this mixture in this loaf pan. After removing all the mixture properly, tap the tin so that if there is any air bubble, it came out. Now it is ready to go in the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, and then I will show you. After 40 minutes, I have removed the cake from the oven, and you have seen by the color it's perfectly baked. Now take a toothpick and poke it in the center of this cake, and now it's clean. That means the cake is perfectly baked. Wait for about 10-15 minutes, and now place any cooling rack or plate and flip it over and remove the pan. Wow, how perfectly baked cake it is, and you have seen it came out perfectly. Now set it aside for about 1 hour. Cover it with a dry cloth so that it became soft. And now after an hour, here my husband is helping me to cut the slices. You can cut the slices according to your choice. You can make it thick or thin, and you have seen it's properly baked from inside. And you can store this cake in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. And now I will show you how moist and soft it is. You have seen here, and it is very soft and delicious and healthy cake. You can serve it as a tea time snack. And keep in mind, when you are baking this cake, preheat the oven at 180 degree centigrade or 350 degree Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes before you start the procedure of making cake. And make sure to use the ripe bananas for this recipe and use the exact measurement. And if you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And stay safe, stay home.